What it do, YouTubes? We back at it with another video, another one about crypto. Yes. If you like these crypto videos, financing videos, go ahead and click that like button. Show me a little bit of love. Really appreciate it. Hope you have a blessed day. Anyway, let's get your money right. Um, I want to talk about the top crypto investments today at this very moment. Now, it's 11:11 p.m. as I am talking on January 5th, and we're going to look into, um, in my opinion, the top cryptocurrencies that will 3 to 10x your money within this year. Yes, I am being so serious that there's going to be a lot of money pumped into this market because this is just getting started. Like, this is an untapped market that really only 2% of people are investing in right now. Um, and let's just jump right into this, man. So, obviously, there's Bitcoin. It's already at 35,000 though. I honestly think this is a little bit overvalued, so I would not buy this right now. I think that by the time it hits its 1 trillion market cap, which is valued at $45,000, that it'll jump up to 50 and then probably fall back down to 30,000. And I think that is when the ultimate dip buy is around 30,000. Um, but my ultimate top one investment here is Ethereum. Now we see Ethereum doing very well here. It is holding nice support at $1,000. It actually is above this zone here that I zone out, and it looks like this thing will never touch below $1,000 again. I can't tell you where to put your money. I can't tell you to buy or sell something. I'm not telling you to buy or sell something, but this is just my advice on what I would do. Okay, that it looks like that it might be a triple top here. I think maybe there might be one more pullback into this 1040 area, and then it's just going to take off again because I don't see this ever going below. Like, it's making higher lows, lower highs. We can call this a bull pennant right here, man. This is a really bullish pattern in my opinion, and I think that ultimately Ethereum will be the best investment in the next 4 years. I think that in the next 4 years, this might just multiply by um, 20, 20x. Like, I'm not joking. This could hit probably around 200,000. Um, but yeah, let's go on to the next one. We have Ethereum Classic. Now, what's the difference between Ethereum Classic and regular Ethereum? Well, it's kind of hard to explain, but basically, if you're wondering, that Ethereum Classic is not an original cryptocurrency, but instead a version of an existing cryptocurrency, Ethereum. Both blockchains are identical in every way up until block 900. What is this number? 9 900? No, whatever. Where the hard fork refund of the DAO token holders was implemented, meaning that all the balances, wallets, and transactions happen in Ethereum. Blah 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 blah. You guys can read, okay, right? You're probably like, what the fuck is a hard fork? Well, I'm not. I'm getting new to this terminology too, because this is my first time investing in crypto. Believe it or not, I've been investing in the stock market for well over a year now. But crypto's new to me as well, and this is a learning experience for me too. So as long as long as I'm trying to explain it, it's gonna help me. It's gonna help you guys. So a hard fork is, if I were to try to explain it, it's basically um, well, it's like it creates like a separate blockchain from the original currency, that it kind of splits into two, and but they keep on going on their own path. Um, so the reason why I really like this is because it's a lot cheaper, and it's a little bit more volatile than a regular Ethereum. But I think that this could multiply faster than Ethereum itself because it's so much cheaper. Even though it's pretty much holding the same value as Ethereum itself, the reason why I think this could hit $100, maybe within the next 2 years, and we could see some very powerful moves in these sub $10 cryptocurrencies. Um, Now the next one, XRP, XRP, XRP. Oh yeah. Now you might be asking, why invest in this when the SEC is following a lawsuit against this company? And well, I've been reading the articles, and XRP says that they're actually very confident in defending themselves in the lawsuit, and I am also very confident because this company has been around since Bitcoin has been around as well, since like the 2010 or the 20 like 12 2014 ish um, area. Let's go to the all time. Yeah, 2014, 2013. So I don't think this company is going anywhere, and the Japan's government approved it as an official currency. So I think that the U.S. government is just trying to get a lot of money out of these cryptocurrencies before they really, really, really take off. Um, Last two, Chainlink. Now this is investing in the blockchain itself. I'm pretty sure. Um, Go check out their website. They talk about it's basically investing in these smart contracts, and these smart contracts are basically like they take out the third party companies like Kickstarter, where Kickstarter has to give the funds from the supporters to the productive team that is making the product that they want the Kickstarter for. It basically takes out that middleman. There will be no more Kickstarter company. That it would be through these smart contracts, because the smart contracts act as the third party, except when if they don't meet that goal that the supporters are trying to give the money to the productive team, then the money will just automatically go back to the supporters, and it wouldn't be in charge of Kickstarter, a company like Kickstarter, to give the money back to them. It would just be done automatically. So it cuts out the middleman. And this is nowhere near the price it should be right now. Like, I think that this will also, man, probably 10 times as well. Like pretty much everything in crypto, I think, will probably 3 to 10x within the next couple of years, because this is an untapped market, guys. This is not touched, and it is the future. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere, and it will eventually be the currency that everybody uses. And if you can't see that, like, look at what this pandemic is doing. We don't even use physical cash anymore. Everything is through a credit card or an app like PayPal. Now, with that, the last one, and this is probably my favorite one, gotta say the best for last, Riot. Now, this is one you can invest actually in most brokerages, Robinhood, eMeritrade, Webull, whatever it is. I actually have options in this thing. I bought in on the dip today, yes, at around 15.50 right here, and this thing's already at $19. I got a contract for March, so I think that this thing is gonna ride and probably see $100 as well, maybe even above $100, because if you look at its history, let's go to the weekly here. It is finding support right at this this $16 level, and you see that there is no resistances really up into that $50 mark. And this could easily hit that $50, come back down to around 20, and then hit its way back up to 100. So with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Happy and safe investing, guys. Do your own due diligence. Remember to really research into these cryptocurrencies before you actually put your money into it, and look at these zones. Really look at the history of the charts and what tells you where the supply and the demand of the buyers and sellers are. Now, I will definitely go into more depth on charting and how to chart zones and everything. I really like doing that. I do it all night long. So until the next one, guys, wipe the flight.